Hi lovelies, welcome to today's lesson. Our topic for today is on environmental problems. So at the end of the lesson, we should be able to list and explain types of environmental problems, state the causes of the problem mentioned, and state the preventive measures of environmental problems. Remember, I said that the topic is on environmental problems. What do I mean by environmental problems? Environmental problems can be classified into two, namely man-made and natural problems. Man-made problems are the problems caused by man, while natural problems are caused by nature itself. What I'm trying to say here is that environmental problems are problems with the planet's systems, such as air, water, soil, and so on, that have developed as a result of mistreatment of the planet. When there is mistreatment of the planet, it leads to environmental problems. So having known what environmental problem is all about, let's look at the types of environmental problems, their causes and effect of it. Types of environmental problems. Here we have soil erosion. Soil erosion is an example of environmental problem. So what do I mean by soil erosion? Soil erosion is the removal of the most fertile top layer of soil through water, wind, and tillage. So it occurs when water or wind remove the top layer of the soil, and it is caused by human activities such as farming, cattle grazing, and so on. As you can see from the picture, this is a good example of soil erosion. So having known what soil erosion is all about, the next one here is flood. Flood is another environmental problem that we are having in Nigeria. Flood here is an overflow of water in one place. As you can see from the picture, overflow of water in one place. It occurs when places which are ordinarily dry have large volume of water, and it is caused by excessive rainfall, poor drainage system, and blockage of drainage system. And what do I mean by drainage system? A drainage system is an arrangement to move liquid away from where they are not required. So example of it is gutter. So when the gutters are blocked, it can lead to flood. Then another one is drought. Drought is a prolonged period of very little rain or no rainfall. It is a period of dry weather. As you can see from the picture, it is a period of dry weather, how dry the land is. And this drought is caused by deforestation. What do I mean by deforestation? Deforestation is the clearing of forests by cutting down trees. That is the meaning of deforestation. It leads towards drought. Then the next one here is volcanic eruption. Volcanic eruption. This occurs when the molten magma. What do I mean by molten magma? Molten magma is a hot liquid rock located under Earth's surface. So when the molten magma is forced out onto the Earth's surface, it leads to volcanic eruption. As you can see from the picture, it has erupted. It is called volcano. It has erupted. So it is caused by crack within the earth's crust, that is the land. When there is crack within the land, it can lead to what? Volcanic what? Eruption. Another environmental problem we have is earthquakes. Earthquake is another what? Environmental problem or issues. Earthquakes is a sudden vibration of the ground. A sudden vibration of the ground is called earthquake. As you can see from this picture, the building here has collapsed due to what? Earthquakes. So it is a sudden vibration of the ground, and it is caused by sudden movement along faults or cracks within the earth. So all these are examples of environmental problems. So the next one we have here is tornado. So tornado is another example of environmental problems. So tornado is a great violent storm in which the air spirals at very great what? Speed. As you can see from the picture, the air spirals at a very what? Great speed. That is tornado, and it is caused by sudden change in the regular direction of the wind. Then the last but not the least is deforestation. Like I've earlier said, that deforestation is the clearing of forests by cutting down trees for various reasons. That is the meaning of deforestation. So having known some of these environmental problems, remember it is a problem and it must have a solution. How do we prevent this from occurring? 1. Deforestation and overgrazing should be avoided because they contribute to soil erosion. So we have to avoid cutting down the trees because they contribute to soil erosion and also droughts. 2. Flooding can be prevented by the construction of good drainage systems, for example, gutter. 3. Scientists should find out volcanoes that are still active and discourage people from living around them. They should encourage them. They should try and find out those that are still active and ask people to do what? Stay away from such vicinity. The next one here is trained scientists should predict the occurrence of earthquake and warn people in advance so as to save people's life. And the last here is refuse should be properly what? Disposed. Refuse should be what? Properly disposed, because pollution on its own is what? Is one of the environmental what? Problems. So all these are ways we can prevent environmental what? Problems. Thank you so much for paying attention to this topic. See you some other time. Bye.